So it's the afternoon now. I've been to the outdoor gym, I played some tennis, and I've been working on videos, just editing short form videos and editing the first part of the video that you've already watched. I'm just going to try and use this as much as possible for good documentation, just speaking to you guys authentically, and I'll do a couple of these throughout the week if I can, just giving you a bit of insight into what's going on in my life, because I want to keep myself accountable and I want to share that with you, and hopefully I can give you some tips along the way. So a bit about me. I had an online coaching business about a year ago now, and I made a little bit of money with that. It was fitness coaching, helped a few clients get in good shape, and that was very fulfilling work to do, but it wasn't what my true passion was. Sorry, I'm ill right now, so hopefully the voice isn't sounding too bad on camera. So I went through that, I did all that, and made all these videos, as you've probably seen, and that's where my passion is, bro. That's where I just love making shit. I love putting things into the world, inspiring people, learning as I go, and this whole process of creativity, it lights a flame inside me on fire. You know what I'm trying to say? And it's the thing I enjoy most in my life, and I want to be one of the greats. I want to be the greatest at it. I want to be the Casey Neistat. I want to be the what other artists are there in the space? Well, I want to be the artist in the space. I want people to use me as a comparison. Say one day I'll be like Sam John in terms of my filmmaking and in terms of my creativity, my creative process. So I want to be one of the greats. But the problem is I don't have the strength to follow through on my own word. So I fall back into bad habits. I go out with my friends. All my friends are going off to university in September. So right now I'm thinking I might as well spend time with them, enjoy as much time as I can as possible, because they'll be gone soon, which means my work is all in different unstructured blocks, and it feels awful, man. It feels awful. I'm making very, very little progress, let's be honest. I've been at 10k for a long time on Instagram. I've gone from 1k to 1.5 on TikTok, so that's alright. We made a bit of progress, but let's be honest, bro. I want to be one of the greats in this space, and the long-term vision for monetization, which I'm just starting working on, is working with other brands in the creator economy to build themselves up through authentic storytelling, good editing, to capitalize on opportunities from the creator economy, working with other entrepreneurs to build authentic personal brands. That's what I want to do, in a similar way that Trey Gustafsson is doing right now. But I don't have the strength to follow through, and I don't know if that is a willpower issue, if that's an obsession issue. I don't care enough about what I'm doing. I don't know if that's a habits issue, but something isn't working right now. And I really want it to work because I love making progress, but then I also love doing nothing, and I love procrastinating. I love going out with friends just as much, it seems. So, and it's getting to the point now where it's not just about, oh no, did I fail NoFap? Oh no, did I use my phone for too long? This is not life or death, but it's essentially my career now. It's what I have to do. And if I don't make this work, then I'm still going to have a good life, let's be honest. I can go to university, I can do what everyone else does, but I don't want that. I'm not going to have the life that I want if I don't put in the work. So this is the little monologue done. This is the rant. This is me and you just getting it out there to say, I need to do more, I need to be better. And I'm actually really thankful that you're watching this right now, because it's keeping me accountable. So I'll show you some more clips of what we've done in a day. Yeah, man, let's do some work.
Out. They won't know that though.
Yeah, well, they know now, mate, so fuck you. This guy thought he was getting away with it. He's not getting away with it.
Here with a few bits.
So you're probably thinking, Sam, how are you actually going to make money with this? How is this going to be sustainable? And believe me, I'm asking the same thing sometimes, but my plan is as follows. We've got the personal brand, 10k on Insta, 1.5 on TikTok, 1.5 on YouTube, and we want to grow that up until I can apply for a MyProtein sponsorship, get sponsored by MyProtein, obviously make a bit more gym content, but I feel like with the vision I have for my brand and the way everything's going, it's looking very promising that I can get that sponsorship. So that's a short-term income source that I can use. A part-time job currently, which I'm saving money to buy a microphone, buy a laptop, buy better equipment, and other subscriptions that I will use in my video creating process. I plan to get monetized on YouTube if I can stay consistent with uploading these videos. I know success will come eventually because I'm focused on just getting better, improving these videos, trying to provide you some value so you actually want to watch this. Sorry if I'm not doing it right now, but hopefully I'm explaining something useful here if you want to learn how to make money online. So we have two income sources there, which rely on me making videos. And right now it feels like making videos, just throwing shit into the dark because it's just get some views and it might blow up. But I need to think it's part of the job. It's not just a creative act, it's also part of the job and part of the career. And then comes the more online business side of things that I also want to focus on, which is helping other companies in the creator economy to grow their online presence. And then I think, am I qualified to do that? Do I even know what I'm talking about? But I won't know until I try. So as I did with the online coaching, I'm going to start off charging for free. I'm going to reach out to companies, see if they want a complete full-time social media manager, someone who can make content, tell authentic stories in the content, edit really well and really clean style, almost create their own image for their brand, because that's what I want to do. I want to build brand images. So I need to start off doing that for free. So I need to set up an Instagram profile, which I've done, but I've only made 2 videos and they are both dog shit. So we need to actually make some videos, create a style for myself on there and start uploading content. And then a website, which I have. It's very simple. It's just going to be a book a call button and I might add a small portfolio. And that's literally going to be it right now. I'm not going to overcomplicate it. I'm just going to do the work. I'm going to make the videos. I'm going to get the attention and I'm going to help the people with their problems. Solve problems. Like we hear that everywhere. That's all entrepreneurs do. They find problems and they solve problems. Weirdly, sometimes they create the problems in the first place so that they can solve them, which is kind of scammy, I guess you could call it. But a problem's a problem and a problem needs to be solved. So if it's there, we're going to solve it, man. That's the aim. That is the aim. And now we're going to go to the library. Then we're going to go to the gym with my manager who runs the cafe that I work at. And we're going to have a fucking day. We're going to have a fucking day. Let's get after it. Stop procrastinating and I actually started doing it. Look, I'll show you what I've done so far. I've recorded the first formal video for the editing account, the personal brand growth account. So we got this. If you can edit a compelling video, then you can not only captivate your viewer, but create and tell a whole story. People want stories nowadays. They crave them. I think we're done with the same Montserrat font and this weird glowing text thing. They want originality. They want stories. They want authenticity. They want something to connect to. So if you're a brand, a creator, a company, you need to tell stories in your content. You need to make content. Make content. And the right cuts, the right tone in that video can create that whole story, can create a whole emotion in your viewer. The power in 2024 lies with the creators. So let's leverage that. My name's Sam. I help brands grow. Alright, it's 9 o'clock. Let's see what it is. 9:10. So I've been working for many hours at this point, which I'm really pleased about. And I edited that whole video. It's all ready to post. So I'm going to post that. I'm giving away a load of free value basically. And I'm going to start with that. Figure out what my offer is as we go along. How I can actually help these people. And we'll work from there. So you just got to throw yourself in the deep end, man. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing. I just know I have some expertise in video editing and creating content and engaging with followers. So I'm going to help some people do that. But I'm really pleased with what I've done today, actually. I've had a really productive day. It's been great. Just worked. There's nothing more to say, bro. I just did some work. I played some tennis. That was nice. But yeah, see, this is the feeling I get at the end of the day. It feels like this is the time where I want to go and scroll TikTok or scroll Instagram or watch YouTube, because I feel like I haven't got enough out of the day before I go to bed. And I go to bed almost without that sensation of stimulation from some kind of dopamine. And it feels pretty awful. But I've got to romanticize the process, romanticize the work, and think about the fact that I've been really productive. This is what I always wanted. I wanted days like this. Alright, good stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.